Have you ever felt like you needed more than your 9 to 5 to actually make both ends meet? Have you ever felt that your 9 to 5 isn't enough to achieve your dreams? Or that there are constant quarrels and it is all stemming because of money? What if I told you that building a side hustle could actually put an end to the constant quarrels? It could help you achieve your dreams and your goals, and to also help you create financial freedom, reducing the money stress, the quarrels, and make you bond better as a couple. Stick around. In this video, I'm going to show you how and why you need to start a side hustle and how it could actually be the game changer for you in your marriage. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic, we're diving into why you need a side hustle as a married person, be it a married husband or wife, or both of you as a couple. One of the major reasons is that it gives financial security. And for women, for wives, that is a major issue for them because a side hustle could be what creates the financial security for ladies, and that is what they want. One of their major issues in marriage is that they want financial security, and having something that you know that this is bringing in cash, be it passive income or even active income, could actually be what creates another level of harmony in your marriage. It is recorded that 20 to 40% of marriage issues stem from money. 20 to 40% of marriage issues are money related, and most of them end up in divorce. You don't want yours to actually be that. And starting a side hustle could help you pay off your debt, live your dream life, boost your lifestyle. You are happier, you are enjoying your marriage because you have an extra stream of income. For most people, it could actually be passive. For some, it could actually be as simple as having to do remote jobs. But for us ladies, it could actually be what you're doing and it helps you stay more at home with your family, with your younger ones, especially if you have toddlers. This could actually help you stay home, be the homemaker, manage, take care of them and your parenting. So it's actually good if you consider it and have that extra cushion that could make a difference in navigating the unexpected expenses in your home. Another thing is that it also strengthens your relationship in marriage. Having that financial freedom, that financial contribution you make. For some people, they do 50-50. Whatever your percentage is, some do 70-30. Whatever your situation is, it could be higher, it could be less. You know you are contributing, and that gives you the sense of partnership. You have something you're bringing to the table. So it actually brings to the place of fulfillment for most women, that they are happier that they are contributing. They are not just on the receiving end. So it's more like you also have something you're bringing to the table. Another major reason is that you are building your shared dreams. It gives you something to look forward to. It's like a project. By the time you start a side hustle, you start a business, an online business, you're doing something, it gives you something to actually look up to every time that you're working on a project. For some people, that's the drive, that is their why, that they get up every day and they are actually at it because it's more like the fuel, the energy that they need. It's actually essential that you consider starting a side hustle. One, you have extra income coming and you are doing it from the comfort of your home or at your spare period, and it's actually passive, and there's this joy and creativity. Yes, it boosts your creativity as well, that you actually know that you are releasing yourself, you're not just bottled. For some, the 9 to 5 more like cages their creativity, but for some, having this, it's more like an outlet to let out your real self as well. So what are the side hustles that you could actually start? One of them would be freelancing. They are actually platforms that you could start a freelancing business. start freelancing and people could pay you for gigs. You could go to Upwork, you could go to Fiverr and release your skills. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, web designing, freelancing could actually be an option. Some go as much as doing a business out of it. You could actually set up a business that you could do a mini agency and you help people probably SEO, do their SEO for their businesses. And a lot of e-commerce companies are looking for people to do their adverts. So there's so much you can do if you want to freelance and you call the shots. Your time is yours and you get to collect gigs. So you just need to go to those platforms, create a good profile, show your work, and you have them coming in. Remember, like I said, it's an extra boost to your income as a family. Another thing you could start from the comfort of your home is starting an online store. This day and age, e-commerce is a thing. A lot of people shop from the comfort of their home, and most people want things done conveniently. So you could start an e-commerce store. Look at your area of passion. Are you fashion driven? You could actually start a drop shipping business. You could start a shop on Shopify. Most people go do wholesaling, go to a wholesaler, you apply to wholesaling sites and companies and get their goods and you just sell on your site. You could open a Facebook page and do it from the comfort of your home. People come to your page, they buy. Most like Facebook page, it has the shopping category. You could create a category, a portfolio. You could as much as also do WhatsApp. Create a catalog. People look at your website catalog on WhatsApp, place their orders, and you just make sure you answer at the right time. So those are things you could actually start an e-commerce, and you could sell on Amazon depending on your location, and it's quite easy to get started. So long as you know you're selling genuine products, you can easily source, and you could create good quality videos that even with your phone you could. There are apps now that you can actually create good quality images for your site. Another thing is content creation. You could start with creating content on YouTube. That is why you should start a YouTube content. It's more like a channel for releasing your creativity. You could start a blog. That is one area that you could actually look at what things are trending, your passions. You could start a blog, even on Pinterest. In some cases, you might not need a website to actually do these things. You're just creating content on social media. There are people that are looking for social media marketers, managers. You could do social media marketing as well. You could up your skills, and most of these skills you can actually learn them from free. Google has certifications that you could go and learn. Udemy courses, Coursera, you could go there, pay for little to nothing. A skill is something that stays with you for life, that once you have it, it's a plus for you all through life. So build on your content creation, document your life, some as much as your profile pictures. Let it not just be a place for posting pictures and images, something more with your social media handles. Tweet some just by being there, tweeting about their lives, what they are doing. It opens doors. That's the power of social media. The world is your oyster. So you could actually be releasing these things. You don't know who is taking notice and who may need your work and your services tomorrow. So as much as possible, get started. Another one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has to do with you creating links to companies that you're affiliated with. And it's so easy to start. It's more like you referring somebody to go buy from this company. And most of them have major affiliate networks that they are under. So it's a lot easier for you to just go get yourself signed up on those. There's impact.com, there's a share sale, there's ClickBank, different ones that you could get affiliated with. And once you create a profile, you could apply to these companies to say, oh, this your products, your company resonates with my audience. I could market this, I could present it to my audience. And for the content creation, you could also do user-generated content. You could do more like reviews about products. You could become an affiliate for even Amazon, buy products and review, create videos, and once you review it, people who are interested in this one, they click on your link and get to buy. Amazon is like 24 hours. For other sites, it's 30 days, 60 days. So once they make the purchase at the end of the month, some as less than 2 weeks, they credit you. So it's something you could actually start, and from the comfort of your home, you're still taking care of children, you're still taking care of family, being a good homemaker, and you still have the money rolling. Another thing is print on demand. If you have graphic skills and you're very creative, you could just subscribe to Canva and get started. You go to Printify, go to Amazon Printer on Demand, apply for those sites, and you could create lovely design. Etsy, it's not costing you much, it's just a time, the investment you make, and these are passive income that could keep rolling in. You could create even printable books and all that with all that print on demand. It could be for different products, for your official shirt, it could be on mugs, on different things. So if you're that creative, you could consider getting a subscription on Canva, or even with the free version, get it started and build a side hustle on that. And just with that, your confidence, you could wake up in the night if you have little ones, or maybe when they're sleeping, you could get up, just make that investment, and it's something that will keep booming. We had talked about also content creation on YouTube. By the time you build an audience and monetize it, of course, you'll be paid for it. Another side also you could consider is AI content business. In this time and age, AI is the in thing, and there's so much you can do with AI. There's a whole lot you can do with AI. You could build a business around AI. You could create content around AI. You could use ChatGPT, the free ones. There's a whole lot of apps out there that you can do one or two things with, and you can create amazing things that people will be wowed just with AI. And most people just want these services done for them. So you could be that one, even for the companies that want, businesses that want people who could do the AI. Some want chatbot for their marketing. You could actually build a business on that, responding for them, creating all those chatbots, responding to their social media pages and all that. So that is one thing you could also do. Also, another business you could start is creating digital products. You don't have to handle physical products, printable products. You could create books, coloring books, and put on these sites on the marketplaces, and there are things that will generate this income for you. So it's something that is worth considering. Then the last one is being a virtual assistant. There are organization businesses that are looking for virtual assistants, that even from home you could do this with your time at your convenience. While the children are away at school, you are doing your work. You just create out a space at home and you get this started. And the beauty of it is that it's passive income. You don't have to be away from the family. And for most mothers, that's just the dilemma for them, having to leave children and to go the times they are feeling guilty. Oh, I had left these children for a long time. So it's actually worth considering, and you need to get started. What do you get started? Quick. You have to pick a side hustle you're interested in, something you can learn, even if you don't have the skills, but you're interested in it, something that you could do on a long haul. Be a blogging if it's a topic you're passionate about that you could talk about for a long time. Go into it on YouTube. It is something you're passionate about and you have the creativity, you know about it, share it. That thing you know, you will be very surprised that there are people who want to learn from you. And if you do it right, get the right keywords, structure your videos the right way, you will see that people are eager to learn. YouTube is a platform that a lot of people are coming to learn. So as much as possible, just pick a side hustle, what you're interested in, invest the time to learn it. You have to pay for it, pay for it. Like I said, a skill stays with you for life. Then set your goals. This is a very good one. What is your why? Why do you want to start this side hustle? If it is to create another stream of income, set a goal. How much I want to achieve, why I want to achieve that. It will help you stay focused and keep your eye on the goals. Break it down to your weekly goals, your monthly goals, your quarterly goals, and your yearly goals, and you see that it will help you stay the course and on track. Then the last thing is just start. For most people, that is the point that they miss it, because by the time they start overthinking, I created a video on that, okay, they start overthinking to the point that they talk themselves out of it. So just get started. You're building an audience. Probably you're starting from zero, nobody knows, you know what, you are releasing those things, and as you go you are learning about it. That's the beauty of it. You don't know who's watching, you don't know where it might take you, you don't know the publicity it might give you, but just start. You never can tell how things would align to bring you to the place of visibility. It's a way of expressing your passion and your creativity. I hope this has been able to help us that you get started. To wrap it up, building a side hustle isn't just about making money. You are also bonding with your spouse. You're also bringing something to the table. You're also making a contribution to your marriage, and you see that there is more harmony and you're happier. You have more time to spend with your family, and there are things you learn on the way while doing this. I hope this video has been meaningful. If it has, I would like you to subscribe so that I could keep creating more videos like this. And thank you for watching. Watch the next video and be a part of it. Thank you.